Hi everyone, these are my two English budgies that I just got a few weeks ago. I did do a video on them, I don't know when, a few days ago. You can go back and watch it. But anyways, I thought I'd let you know that they do have a name. And I decided to call them Ocean and River. So Ocean is the gray one up there, and River is the light blue one. And they're both boys, and they have not been like loose in my bird room yet. They've just been, you know, checking out my other budgies through the bars. So today I'm going to leave the door open, and hopefully they'll come out for a fly. They probably won't know how to, you know, navigate the room and land properly. You know, they might bang into things, but they got to start, you know, interacting with my other birds, and I'm hoping everything will go okay. So you guys want to come out? Oh, they'll probably just sit there for hours. Hey guys, you want to come out? Maybe the other budgies will go in. Well, it looks like they don't want to come out. I'm leaving the door open. I don't know, maybe the other budgies will go inside. I just hope they don't fight. So Fantasia and Moonlight are thinking about going inside the cage. We'll see what happens. Ocean's looking at the open door. I think it's gonna come. Maybe. Here it comes. Oh, there he goes. Yay. Oh, and the other budgies are chasing him. So he flew up there. He's next to Fantasia. So Ocean was the first one to come out. You be nice, Fantasia. You be nice. Fantasias can be a little bit, I don't know, what you say, nippy or like a bully. Fantasia's up there, the yellow and green one. He kind of chases all the birds around and always wants to feed them and nip at them. Oh, maybe he wants to feed him. That's cute. Hope he just feeds him and not bites him. Oh, so cute. Aww. Ocean's like, what are you trying to do? You're not my mother. Oh. So River's still in the cage, just sitting there talking to himself. You gonna come on, River? You come on out too. Come on, your brother's out. So River came out as well. I didn't even see him come out. All of a sudden all the birds went flying. I guess they all got kind of like startled. So River is out as well. So there's River and Ocean's on the very, very top up there. And that's Moonlight, the white one. The one cleaning himself is Fantasia. The one behind that is Sunlight. And there's River. Here's all 5 of my budgies. You can see them all there. So they're all like gathering around. Except for River. River's over there on the left. River, go say hello to your new friends. And that's Dazzle, my Goldie's lorikeet, coming down the rope. I think Dazzle likes River.